Hi! So for today's lesson, I'm going to discuss some of the platforms and softwares that you can use in order to run your Python code. Pero let's start with the very basic. So there's a lot of actually mga compilers na pwede nating ipag-run yung ating Python codes. And isa nga doon is si Programmist. Actually, if tinype nyo nga lang is Python online compiler, maraming lalabas na compiler. Meron tayong Programmist, meron tayong onlinepython.com, meron tayong GDB Online Debugger, meron tayong One Compiler, and kahit W3 Schools din pwede, and JDoodle. Pero ang number one choice ko, well, based on my preference is Programmist. Okay? So, punta lang tayo kay Programmist. Or type nyo lang is ito, para lumitaw siya agad. Programmist Python Online. Ayan. So, lalabas na yung pinaka-compiler. Now, these are examples of online compiler or cloud-based compiler, meaning you don't need to install anything. You just need to have at least a browser so you can access it. Kasi cloud-based siya. So, yung storage nito or nagrarun ito sa sariling server ng company. Now, for starter, this is the part where you can type in your code. And to test if this compiler works, you can just click run. No need to save kasi cloud-based siya. So, ayan. So, nag-run yung una nating program and yung mga napagra-run natin na program is makikita natin dito sa output. Okay. Pwede nyo rin siyang i-clear, then run ulit. Now, if may gusto kayo na ibang i-type na code, pwede nyo namang i-delete lahat nito. Ngayon, kung sa tingin nyo masyado maliit yung screen, you can zoom in and zoom out of this. So, sa keyboard nyo, hanapin nyo lang yung CTRL+. Ayan. Sabay nyo lang i-click. And then, CTRL- naman pag gusto nyong i-zoom out. Ayan. Ganun lang. And again, this compiler is, it also supports different types of programming languages. We have online R. Ayan. And we also have Java. You just put your cursor on the left side of your screen to know anong programming language sinusuportahan niya. Make sure na dito tayo sa logo ni Python, naka-click. Ito yung active na logo para malaman natin na tama yung compiler natin. Kasi baka mamaya sa iba pala tayo nagtatype ng Python code, kaya pala nag-error is hindi pala siya pang Python. Pero may nakalagay naman, no? Kagaya ito, kilik ko tong R language, ayan, nakalagay din. So, hindi naman siguro kayo magkakamali. Okay. So, ayun lang. And next naman, after Programmist Python Online Compiler, actually pwede din po ito sa cellphone. You don't need to install anything. You can just access it via browser. Next naman is dito na tayo sa mga softwares or applications na kailangan nating mag-install. So, isa sa pinaka-recommended ko for now is hindi muna tayo doon sa pinaka-mabibigat na mga Python-based talaga na compiler. Dito muna tayo sa lightweight and portable. So, bago muna tayo dito mapunta, ito yung pinaka-ginagamit natin sa computer laboratory, right? Is, let us go to this site muna. So, balik ulit tayo sa browser natin kay Google. All you have to do is to type in Python, literal. And the first page that you will see na merong logo ng blue and yellow na Python is the official Python page. So let's click it and you should see something like this. So it has, as you could see, it has different menu. Pero ang pinaka-target kasi natin is ma-download lang yung Python compiler para makapag-run tayo ng Python codes. Pero i-tour ko na rin kayo around the website. So, itong community na to is if may mga questions kayo or kailangan kayong i-debug or may gusto kayong tanungin regarding sa ginawa nyong Python-related code, then you can go for the community. So, para siyang online forum where you can talk to other users or share your visions on this one. Ayan. So, marami. Actually, ayan. Ito yung mga community na related kay Python. Meron tayong Python Weekly, meron kay LinkedIn. So, kung meron kayong mga gustong tanungin sa mga Python programmers nyo, ayan, puntahan nyo lang itong mga websites na to. Then also, we have job posting. Dati yung mga lumang version ng Python website nila walang ganito. Pero ngayon meron na rin sila. Merong mga job types, baka meron kang mga interested na mga job description na gustong hanapin. And ayan, may nakalagay kung marunong ka bang mag-backend. Usually related to kay Python, one way or another. Ayan. Merong remote or online. So ito yung country, USA. Kadalasan kasi sa US. Ayan. And then, gagawa ka ng account pagka ganito. And then, meron din tayong PyP. This is the Python Package Index. So, self-explanatory naman kung ano ginagawa nila. So, this is the part where you can find and install and publish Python packages. Yung mga Python libraries that supports mga iba't ibang mga, meron kasi tayo ibang mga gustong gawin kay Python na i-code na program or output na kailangan pa natin mag-install ng Python library. So, dito natin sila mahahanap. Ayan. Merong mga projects din dito. So, back lang tayo kasi wala pa tayo dyan. Sa basics pa lang tayo. And yung pinaka-importante po, after nyo na-download yung Python, is yung documentation. So, the documentation includes directions and guidelines regarding that particular or specific Python version that you have installed or planning to install in your desktop or laptops. So, the latest version for now is 3.15. So, beta version pa lang po ito. What do we mean by beta version? So, when we say beta version, this is the not necessarily unstable, pero hindi pa siya stable version. So, kadalasan, ang pinopromote nila na i-install natin is yung latest na stable version na. Yung na tried and tested na natin siya. Now, if you have any other interest regarding a particular version in Python, nandito po lahat. I-explore nyo lang yung code. Yung links. Next is, ito yung pinaka-main page ni Python. Now, in Python's main page, it has different, another set of menu. We have the about. So if you want to learn more about how to get started with Python, how to install it, and other things. And then we also have another documentation. Basically, this is a redundant link for this one. And community, success stories, news, and events related kay Python. And also, if you want to donate, since Python is an open source type of programming, you could also donate. Okay. You can socialize with their official page. Ayan. Pero, since we're just beginning to learn more about programming and Python in general, so ang target lang natin dito is yung paano siya ma-install. Okay. So, siguro I'll create another video separate to this one.